of each other.
That's what I hear commonly.
I'm just waving my staff at you.
How's that? Oh, that's your s'more thing.
Wow, Mrs. This thing's huge. He said, yes. Tip Bishop.
Whoops, wait.
Oh.
Phone on fire.
That.
No. You filming too, Steve?
I was.
You still filming? Georgie stapled the marshmallow bag together.
I did. Stapling the back. Sometimes stapling bags together, but it's okay.
I'll put 2 on here. This is great. Hey, look at this, guys.
Whoa.
Whoa, you double dipping it. So you got the grahams. Where's the chocolate?
Right in there too.
Right.
Fantastic.
I'm just going to wait until the last second.
Wait till the last second.
Perfect.
Actually, what I was going to do was give you the chocolate, but...
Oh, yeah.
Would you like the chocolate to get us prepared for s'mores?
Sure.
Pass it all the way. Chocolate.
Dairy milk.
This is a nice stick, by the way.
Now, in terms of what I have to do to get it prepared for the s'mores, what is it I need to do, Jenny, to get it prepared for the s'mores?
Get a couple blocks of chocolate.
Okay. Let's break open a few?
Yeah.
Okay. We melt them, right?
Well, what we do is, once the marshmallows are ready, we take a block of chocolate, put it on our graham square.
Ready?
Huh?
Okay, it's very difficult for me to...
Here, I can get that ready.
I think one of my problems is that
I got it, baby.
don't have the... I cannot be a cinematographer. I cannot be a cinematographer and do it at the same time. Sorry.
You can be a cinematographer. I guess I'm the s'mores girl. That just gets to mean that I get to eat chocolate whenever I want. It's fine by me.
Oh, Steve, you dropped some.
I dropped my little case there. Oh. There we go. Oh, you're like taking. That's going to be like behind the scenes kind of stuff. That's going to be Steve, what he did. How he achieved it.
How I achieved that shot.
Wow. And what about our little doggy friend down here? She's like in her own little realm.
Something already, Jenny?
Well, I said I'm the s'mores girl, so if you guys are saying you don't want anything to do with the s'mores, I get to eat chocolate that well.
You?
Chocolate, you're in?
What are you doing there?
Really
All ensconced. Look at you.
My marshmallows. Oh, they're getting nice and roasted. This is doing a good job. Uh-oh, is one of them starting to fall off? Action shot. Oh my gosh, these are turning out great. This is a really nice morsel.
Oh, look at this.
Two eyes staring at me.
What, marshmallow eye? Uh-oh, you know what? One's about to fall.
No!
Oh my god!
Don't let it!
So
Grab
close.
it.
Oh my god. It's like hanging by skin. Marshmallow skin.
Hanging by marshmallow thread, I believe is what the term is.
Watch this eye. Okay. Anybody want this, or you want me to eat it?
I'll eat it.
Stevie?
I will
the
eat
first
it.
guy? There you go.
So I just put it between the two? Is there chocolate here too?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Is that good?
Oh,
Jordy, you want one?
I'll let you have the first one, madame.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh my god.
By the way.
You and Steve have the first ones.
That's amazing.
I'm happy just having the next one.
And this evening, I wonder if we're going to have some nice stars. Eventually when the when everything's gone.
I'm grabbing a nice moon tonight. Delicious. Unbelievable.
It's very good.
Yeah. Penny.
Penny?
Penny, come.
She wants to be in the shot. She's a little...
Good girl. Stay
She's a little diva. Little diva.
When I was down there, lying down there, I never recorded it.
Oh.
I'm an idiot.
No? You didn't have it on?
No, it was only when I got up.
No.
We thought you were turning it off, you were turning it on?
Yeah.
Shame.
It was a shame because it was a cracking shot. Sorry.
Oh my god, so good.
I can hear it. I can hear the sound.
Steve at least caught a shot of you catching, not the shot.
Wow, yeah. This will be like behind the scenes
Of
the shot that got away.
A shot of me not getting a shot. I like that. Whoa.
What? Moon? Oh, the moon's gonna be beautiful tonight.
Is there a moon up there?
Yeah.
That was a really good s'mores. Thank you.
Superb, you're welcome. It's good, eh? I love s'mores. You guys filming me making s'mores?
Yeah.
Wow, man. Riveting film, eh?
Just getting the technique worked up.
I gotta get my gram. This is our new s'mores stick that Jordy got.
I'm trying to film you. I'm getting the cameraman.
Brilliant, isn't it? The new s'mores stick. And George always says to me I should be prepared because he says I'm never prepared. I do the marshmallows and then...
George calls you a s'more stick?
No, George tells me that I should get my stuff ready, so now I'm getting everything ready.
Ah.
Good, lad.
George should be the next one because he hasn't had his yet.
Yeah, I'll make him one. This is Jordy's s'more. Here we go. This is how it works, people. Here we go. Oh, where did the chocolate go? I lost some of it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, shoot. I'm looking at that.
Wow, here we go, guys.
Everybody.
It's happening.
So here's how the magic happens.
Here's how the magic happens. It's magic time. Who do you think invented s'mores, actually?
I don't know.
Somebody you know?
Girl Guides?
Was it the Girl Guides? Yeah?
Could be.
Wow, those babies look great from this.
Look at them. They actually really look like they're cooking up fast.
It goes pretty quick.
Yeah.
And I think George is doing. He's getting very artistic.
I don't want to toot my own horn, but I think I'm the best marshmallow roaster around. I've got a technique going.
Because of your fancy stick, Kenny.
Well, I was doing this even before my fancy stick, but yeah, the stick is helping.
Fancy sticks just make it too much easier for
Yeah,
you.
it is. Now it's even making it.
Lens flare.
Look at those babies are puffing up.
Lens flare.
Look at that. Look how my marshmallows are puffing up. Here, I'll let you see them.
Oh, careful! Don't, because I can only. Wow!
Ooh.
Holy jeez!
Magical.
Magical times.
That's how the magic happens.
That's how the magic happens.
You want to get them to the point where they're just about ready to fall off the stick, and that's when you know they're ready. Like this guy right there. Oh, he's tilting.
So you're almost on the verge of having them come gooey.
Yeah. Well,
off
actually,
of...
not quite yet, but almost. Yeah, almost to the point. That's how I know they're ready. It's like to the point that they're about to fall off the stick.
Just about.
You want to go to that point and push it to where, like,